Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Toyota Camry SE, stock number Z7116XXA. 71,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Cosmic gray in color. Camry is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. The wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Pull of the tab allows the split seat back to fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Cruise control. Large touchscreen display for radio. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with the owner's manual inside. Under the hood, this Camry has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 178 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-size sedan. EPA average of 25 miles to the gallon and the city average of 35 on the highway. All that with new tires. For more information on this Camry, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.